company was started in 1943 by my father in an area out west of Sundre. In 1946, he was joined by my uncle, who became his 50% partner. And back in those days, it was crosscut saws and skid horses. It was a very different world than we live in today. In the 1950s, they heard about a patch of timber in the Spray Lakes area south of Canmore, so they went up to investigate. Then in 1954, they were ready to go. They started the mill. And for many years, they saw it in the Spray Lake area in the summertime, and then in the wintertime, they would go back and move the mill back and forth and work in the Sundre area. In 1966, the quota system was introduced into Alberta. The intent of the government at that time was to encourage sawmill operators to build permanent facilities in various communities throughout the province, thereby stabilizing employment. We started to build our operation in Cochrane in 1969. The first new and modern permanent facility was opened in Cochrane in 1974. In 1980, my dad and uncle decided that it was time to retire, so the transition started and I became the sole owner in 1989. Since 1989, the mill has been completely rebuilt. It's a modern, state-of-the-art facility where we are committed to producing the highest quality products and a safe workplace. When my dad and my uncle moved to Cochrane and built the first permanent facility, one of the things that was very important to them was to work towards 100% utilization, and we still hold that as a core value. We market all of our bark, all of our sawdust, shavings, chips. There's absolutely nothing goes wasted. Care for the environment is something that is very important to us as well. The forest is our future. We reforest every acre we cut, and we manage in a responsible, sustainable manner. We're very, very confident that the forest will remain healthy for generations to come. Cochrane is a great community to do business in. We've always worked very, very hard with town council and our neighbors within the town to do what we can to give back to the community, enhance the community. One of the things that we're very proud of is the Spray Lake Sawmills Family Sports Center. We support the Boys and Girls Club and the Boy Scouts and numerous organizations through the community, and we're just very pleased to be a part of this great community. This is our 70th year in business this year, and we're very proud of that fact. And a company just can't survive and thrive all of those years without a tremendous commitment and a whole lot of perseverance from a lot of people. And so we're very thankful for all our former employees and our present employees. We have some excellent people here. In fact, we believe we've got the best people in the forest industry working right here in Spray Lake Sawmills. I'm excited about the future, and I believe we have some great days ahead.